Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I'm doing another quick and dirty video. This one is all about my favorites from YSL. YSL is a brand that I don't actually have a ton from. I've tried a few things that have come in and out of my collection, but I haven't tried as much from YSL, probably for obvious reasons, that I have from other brands. It's just a luxury brand. It's much more costly. I don't get PR, so everything you see on this channel is bought by me for the most part. So I have 3 top favorites from YSL and then one that I really don't like at all, and I figured I'd mention that in this video. Okay, let's start with this one. This is one of my favorite face products ever. It is so good. This is the YSL All Hours Concealer. I also have the All Hours Foundation. To me, that is a very meh middle of the road product. It's not a standout. I don't love it. I don't hate it either, but this I love. This is the concealer that I'm wearing today. It is very smooth. It is very brightening. This is one of those very full coverage concealers, very similar to like a Tarte Shape Tape or the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I actually think it's pretty much a dupe for the Estee Lauder. It's got just a little regular doe foot applicator, nothing fancy, and it is a little bit of a more thin consistency, so it's not as thick as Tarte Shape Tape. It's much more thin, but it still covers completely. It's not the most hydrating concealer in the world. I actually wish it was a little bit more hydrating, but I still love the way it looks on me. I love how it covers. I love how brightening it is. So it's no secret I don't love liquid lipsticks. It's not my favorite thing to have dry lips all day, but there are a couple formulas from different companies that I actually do enjoy, and I bought multiples of, and one of them is this from YSL. So I have 3 of these. These are the, it's always hard to remember, Tatouage Couture Matte Stains, and I have a few colors here. I have 7, 16, and 5. So these ones are very lightweight. This is what I'm wearing today. Very lightweight layer of pigment on your lips. It's not thick at all, so it's not as drying because it's not that thick like liquid lipstick that dries and sucks everything out of your lips. So this I would describe as transfer proof, but not really. So it does leave behind a little bit of a stain if I was to like go like this. So it's not going to come off my lips really, but you can see like it's leaving the tiniest little bit of stain left behind. So if you're going to be drinking, or if you give somebody a kiss or whatever, you're going to be fine, but you might transfer a little bit to that coffee cup or that person, depending. But anyway, I feel like these are one of the best formulas for liquid lipstick for just being so comfortable, and the colors are really nice too, but they do last a really long time on the lips, and they are some of my favorites. I don't wear red lipstick a lot on my channel or in life. It's not my, I don't think it's my most flattering color, but I do like it every once in a while, like every red-blooded woman loves a good red lipstick. Anyways, this one is my favorite of all time. This is the YSL Rouge Pur Couture, and this is number 1. So this to me is the perfect red. It is this nice, like bright blue-based red. It's just the absolute classic red. The formula on these is so nice too. Like this is so creamy and it applies so opaque. The color, the rich pigmented color just deposits so nicely on the lips, and it does have a little bit of shine, not too much, just a little bit, that it leaves behind, so you still get that nice shine, that nice like juicy lip effect. So the next product I bought all because of hype on YouTube, and I've always regretted it, although I've always kept it because of the packaging. This is one of the YSL Rouge Up Shine lipsticks. Do you remember, have you watched YouTube long enough to remember when everybody, like every huge guru had a line of these in their background? Like it's really just a show-off piece, this, because of the packaging. They're so beautiful. The gold and the YSL around here. The color, I believe, corresponds to what's inside. But I do not like the scent of these. Like I've never liked the scent. It's this weird fruity, I don't know, it's not for me. And then also, these are a shine formula, so it's like very shiny, but it's very thin, but it's so slippery. I always feel like my lips are just slipping all over themselves when I wear this, and it's just not my favorite formula in the world. But scent plays a huge part in whether or not I like a product, and I really am just turned off by the scent of these, so they've never been my favorite, but I've always kept it, again, just because of the packaging. So there are my top 3 picks from YSL and the one that I do not like. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely subscribe and give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.